Today I'm going to continue with my same lesson, that is Lithosphere. And my today's topic is forces of the Earth's crust. The Earth has two important forces that changes the face of the Earth. They are internal forces and the external forces. That means the pressure from inside as well as the outside. So first let us know about the internal forces. These are the forces which originate inside the crust and influence the surface features of the earth. Like for example, so whatever the things are happened inside, that result we are going to see the outside. Like for example, like volcanoes, earthquakes, etc. And the internal forces are also called as endogenic forces. Do you all know what you mean by endogenic forces? That forces coming from within, means inside the earth, and causing horizontal and vertical movements are known as endogenic forces. So first let us know about the volcanoes, so happening inside within the earth. So what are the effects which caused inside, and the effect we're going to see the external, that is an outside. So the next topic is about the volcanoes. Volcano is a vent or narrow opening in the earth's crust. The crust is the upper layer of the earth, and it is happening inside the crust, connected by a pipe to an underlying magma chamber, through which magma rocks, fragments, lava, ash, steam, flames, and other gases are emitted from the interior of the earth. Means they are come outside from the inside the earth. So these all the materials will come out. Which are those? Like magma, it will be in a molten, it in the form of a liquid, rock fragments, lava, ash, steam, flames, and other gases. These all are emitted from inside from the interior to the exterior to outside. And a passage in the earth's crust through which magma and other volcanic materials are ejected is called vent. And funnel shaped hollow at the top of the cone of a volcano is called crater. A large basin shaped crater bounded by steps inside is known as a caldera. So there are again this is about the volcanoes, how the volcanoes, so what are the materials are inside the volcanoes and they be ejected outside, they'll come out. And there are types of volcanoes. On the basis of the periodical or frequent of eruption, volcanoes are classified into three types.
Can be active, dormant, or extinct depending on the nature of eruption. Let us begin with active volcanoes. The active volcano erupt regularly or may have erupted in the recent past or may erupt in future. There are 500 active volcanoes, and the majority of them are present in the Pacific Ocean, which is called Pacific Ring of Fire. Dormant volcanoes. Volcanoes that may erupt in future are known as dormant volcanoes. Extinct volcanoes. Volcanoes which have stopped erupting because they no longer have a lava supply are known as extinct volcanoes. Earthquake. An earthquake is shaking of the surface of the earth, causing great destruction, caused by the shock waves that travel through solid rocks from under the ground. The point inside the earth where an earthquake starts is known as focus, and the area on the earth's surface just above the focus is called the epicenter. After the earthquake, tremors occurs which are called aftershocks. These aftershocks may continue for several days. An earthquake can be violent enough to toss people around and destroy whole cities. The intensity, direction, and duration of an earthquake is detected and recorded by an instrument called seismometer.
And the next topic is earthquake waves. The earthquake or seismic waves originated in the seismic focus and travel towards the epicenter in ripples or concentric circles. The three important earthquake waves are primary waves, secondary waves, and surface waves. Primary waves are also called as an P waves. Secondary waves are also called as an S waves. Surface waves are also called as an L waves. So first let me tell you all about the primary waves. Primary waves are also known as longitudinal or compressional waves. These are the fastest earthquake waves and the first waves to reach the surface. They can pass through solid, liquid, and gaseous matters. And the next one, that is secondary waves, that is S waves. Secondary waves are also known as transverses or distributional waves. These waves cannot pass through liquids. They reach the epicenter after the primary waves. The next one, that is surface waves. Surface waves are also known as long waves. L wave means long waves. They are the slowest earthquake waves but are responsible for the highest destruction on the surface of the earth. And the earthquakes are very dangerous and destructive. They cause large scale death, loss of property, landslides, flash floods, damage to bridges, roads, railway lines, etc. and etc. And another destruction, that is a tsunami. Tsunami is a large sea wave occasional experienced along the coastal sides of Japan and in other regions caused by an underground earthquake. In Japan language, tsunami means harbor waves.